Ethan, get out of the way. Come on with me. Blizzard Beach. Are you guys excited?
Oh yeah. Look at the sign.
Here we go. We get to play in snow in Florida.
Some people were saying that,
Ethan, you excited?
we am summit plummet.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, and slush gusher.
Charlotte, what do you want to do?
Probably all of them.
All of them? Daddy, what are you excited about?
I'm excited about all of them, but I want to do Summit Plummet with Ethan.
Yeah.
And Mommy wants to do the lazy river.
Like Martin Mayer. No.
What time is it? Do you even know? Nope. Okay. Me neither. Woohoo! Look at the racers!
I love the racer thingy! Look at Summit Plummet!
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Look, Charlotte, look at the snowman!
You don't go like this. You don't fly through the air.
That's cool!
Yeah, I know. But it's tricky.
Mini donuts! Yay!
Nice and loud, everybody. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Somebody is way too happy about
Go
this
to
job.
Summit Plummet!
That'd be me. You have to be to work at Disney. You have to be.
What happened to Summit Plummet?
You chickened out. We didn't know. I didn't videotape you. I missed it. You got to do it again. I chickened out. I couldn't do it. It's Ethan. Oh my goodness! Woo!
Look at this massive wedgie!
Way to go!
He went low! We must do it! Go, William! We must do it!
He is. That's him. Way to go! Woo!
Do it!
Come here. Tell me, how was it?
Scary.
Was it scary?
I said no, I'm not gonna do it, and I changed my mind and I did.
Yeah?
I was so scared. Oh my god. It looks scary.
What did you think?
That was a lot of fun.
You almost lost your
would
shorts.
love it. Oh yeah. It was a lot of fun.
Here comes William, look. Ethan, get out of the way. Come on with me. Watch. William. Woo!
William, that hurt.
It hurt, Ethan?
Oh yeah.
All right, watch Daddy. Hey, guys. What was better, William? This one or Summit Plummet?
Summit Plummet looks way a lot better.
Ethan.
Yeah, Summit Plummet.
What, did you like Slush Gusher better or Summit Plummet?
Summit Plummet, yeah.
Summit Plummet.
Very
pretty
cool.
Slush Gusher hurts your back. We just did it. We just did it.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It hurts our back.
Ethan, stop yelling, honey. What's a picture of you? Happy Blizzard Beach Day! Hey!
Happy Blizzard Beach Day.
Hey, your towel's dipping in the water, son.
Ethan,
I got the penny in.
so which one are you choosing? A, B, or C?
I'm choosing C.
C. Which one did Charlotte pick?
I have no clue.
She picked A.
She picked A.
And what are you doing, William?
I'm doing C.
Oh, because you guys did it. That's Summit Plummet.
Yeah, we did it.
Okay, do it, Ethan. Go.
I'm gonna put the penny in
All right.
the first spot, and then look what I can another bit.
It's a beautiful day at Blizzard Beach. Raining.
And
Watch out, buddy.
There it goes. Ethan picked Summit Plummet, Daddy.
So
Let's
am I.
see it, Ethan. Show me the penny. So cool, because you did it.
Dad,
Good job,
look
buddy.
at the background of Mickey.
All right, Blizzard Beach. We came, we saw, we conquered, we did it. We got here at 9:30 and the park didn't open until 10. So we got our tickets and then they opened the gate at 9:45, so make sure you get here early. And then they stop you when you get in. But I want to tell you, go all the way around the main wave pool and head towards something called a warming hut. It's another food place and it's a covered area. You can get chairs, don't pay extra for them. We got a good spot. It's right near the warming hut where they sell food, right near the bathrooms, right near the lazy river. It's perfect, so keep going. But get here early to get a seat because that's key. You want to have some shade on your day, especially if it's raining, so you can have some cover. It was thunder and lightning and we were covered. So they also have these amazing tiny donuts that are delicious, $10 for a dozen, which was so yummy. We also packed a lot of good food, so that was fun. So we had a good day. So after you get your chairs, you want to head to Summit Plummet, and you want to do, it's not Skull Crusher, what is it called? Crush Gusher? Skull Crusher? Slush Gusher? Yeah, they're super high. I didn't do it. You don't want to take the ski lift, you want to walk all the way up. The ski lift was taking like 15-20 minutes, and this guy walked and beat everybody up there, so you want to do that. Oh, I want to get a picture with the kids with the snowmen. The next one you want to go do is Double Dipper because the line is like 45 minutes wait, and it's super fun, but it's only like a 2-second ride, so definitely do that one next, and then the rest of them, get them done in the first hour, and then you can enjoy the lazy river and the kids area. We had a blast, but it's 4:30. We've been here for a long time. We're ready to go back. What was your favorite ride?
Probably the toboggan slopes, like this.
The one that I liked, or the 7 kids?
You liked.
Oh yeah, storm slopes or something.
Snowstormers.
Ethan, what was your favorite ride?
Summit Plummet.
Really? I can't believe you did that and you were brave. Look at the gator that went right through. He went skiing and went right through. Isn't that crazy?
I don't blame you.
Like loose shingles, and then there were lines in the snow.
That was so much fun.